guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guys, on this video I'm just coming back from from the market. So I went for monthly grocery, guys. Oh, it's headache. When I say headache, it's headache. We women, and we need to price. So I went to the market to using the the normal rates I normally used to buy things, guys. When I get to the market, I have been pricing since morning. They almost drive me away from the market. Oh my god. So over here are the few things I got, my people. Things they dear will not be small. Things are really expensive. So over here I have my my Melusa fish here. So this is how it came in. So this is, I'm just going to, don't know if you guys are seeing it very well. Let me push this one away first. Okay, I don't know if you guys are seeing it very well. So I'm just going to open it. So this is it. This is a carton of Melusa. Oh my god, this used to be very cheap before, but nowadays it's so expensive. So this is how it came. Sometimes it's bigger than this, while sometimes it's just this size. So this is how it came. So what I'm going to do now is just to take them to my freezer directly. So I'm going to take this one away from here, since this one is already embossed. So the next thing I have here is my fufu. This is my fufu flakes. So this fufu flakes normally comes in 10 kg and 5 kg. So we normally buy the 10 kg. Today we did not find the 10 kg. So we decided to take it two, which is this one and also this one. So this is it, 5 kg. And over here I have my President. This is my President, guys. This is rice. So this is the rice I love to eat. So they have so many different brands here in the market, but I love this this President rice. Is very good, especially when you are making jollof or fried rice. It's very good. So over here I also got some Titus fish. This is Titus fish. I got 2 packs of Titus fish. Look at it. Oh my goodness. This is how it looks. Titus fish. That is for that. And here I got some ripe plantain. So I'm going to be leaving it before weekend so that they can get more ripe. I want to make some recipe with it. And over here I got beans. This is beans. This beans is very beautiful, as you guys can see. So I also got some okporoko. Oh my goodness. This is my okporoko. Okporoko is not go area. When it comes to price, it's not go area. Look at it, just this one now. If I should tell you guys how much is it. Look at yam. This is new yam. I didn't find the old one in the market, so I decided to just take the new yam. And I also got some plantain. This one is on ripe. I'm going to be using it. Just before this, look at transport. Look at what transport it is to my plantain. Just before I came home, when I picked this plantain was so beautiful. Just putting it inside the bag before I get home, it changed color. I also got some okra, because I'm going to be making some ogbolo soup with okra. So this is my fresh okra here. And over here I got some, this one is just pink Nindo milk. Yeah. So this is 1,800 grams. I also got some Indomie, because my kids, they love Indomie. So this is it. I got 2 packs. 2 pack. Yeah. If you have watched up to this extent, thank you guys so much. So I'm going to be leaving you guys very soon, because I need to just enrich all these things. As I said earlier, Things are very, very expensive, guys. Things are very, very expensive when it comes to, you know, pricing. I don't know where they are taking. So guys, things are very, very expensive. I don't know, before it used to be, you know, very good, but now I don't know. Not only people in Nigeria, so many people in Nigeria are also complaining, oh, things are very expensive, so Tinubu, who are we going to call here? Tinubu not reach here. Tinubu did not even reach here. He did not even cross River Niger, not to talk of coming to Europe. So things are very expensive everywhere. But those our family that is, you know, complaining in Africa, oh, things are very expensive here. Things are the same things everywhere. It's everywhere. Just take a look at bag of rice that we normally buy for, you know, tipatico. Now it's very expensive. Look at this this Melusa fish. Guys, you know that this Melusa fish is, before it was very, very, you know, cheap. But now, oh my goodness, it's only big man that will, let me use the word big man that will eat, you know, Melusa fish now, because the expenses is too expensive. That is just the truth. This one I got now, it's not even up to 12 pieces. So if I should tell you the price I took the carton from, the price I bought the carton, you're going to say, ah, yes. I don't know where they are taking us to. So Buhari did not share. Tinubu did not share. All those our minister in Africa, they did not share. Things are still expensive here. So things is expensive everywhere. So that is it. So that is why I normally encourage my fellow women not just to stay home. Go outside and work and support your husband. Support you. Even they want to support your husband. Support your host. Support your children. Because when your husband drop a little and you add to it, you will see that it will be big. But when only one person is working, especially in this, you know, Europe, only one person is working, you cannot buy this. So this, what if I should tell you how much we spent on just this, and we have not finished buying the things. So we have not gone to the supermarket. This is just Africa stuff we went. We have not gone to the supermarket. We know that in supermarket you need to buy this, you need to pick this, you need to pick that one. Yes, we have not gone there, and we still have a lot to buy. This is just only for Africa stuff. My people, it's not easy. Not be this one that they speak English for. It's not easy at all. So if you are a woman listening to me at this junction, please go and get yourself busy and work and support your home. Because without you supporting your home, only my salary, your husband's salary not will reach everything. No, that is just the truth. If your husband tell you saying you're doing, they deceive you. It's just deceiving you and also deceiving himself. So feel free to go and look for something doing and support your husband. So this powder milk, look at the one we bought last month. This is the one we bought last month. It's very small compared to this one. As you guys can see, this one was very small and it didn't even take us 1 month. How many of us? 4 of us. It didn't take us 1 month. This is it. This one is 975 grams. Why this one is 1,800 grams. So this one is 2 times. No, 2 of this one is what make this one. Yes. So we also have, you know, water milk in case if anybody wants water milk, but you know, my husband prefer this, you know, powder milk. Yeah. So I'm going to be leaving you guys at this junction, you know, so that I can, you know, take care of this kitchen. Thank you also so much. See you guys on my next video. Until then, remain blessed and stay blessed. Bye 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 bye.